How to use drone parts in Last War Survival. So these are upgrade materials used to improve your combat drone's level and abilities. And if for some reason you don't have the drone yet, you should just be directly able to make use once you defeat District 49 or something similar to that. Something near that, or was it really just 49 over here? You take a look at your drone center and it is 49. So once you get your drone setter, you can enter that and then you can use your drone parts. So to use the drone parts, you open the drone section in your base interface and select the upgrade or enhancement option. If you do have enough drone parts and required resources, you can level up the drone or unlock new upgrade nodes that boost your army's stats. These parts are usually obtained from events, missions, special rewards, usually from some stores as well, like here. You can go ahead and buy the one in the alliance using these, which are the alliance points, I suppose. You can get 10 at a time for shops like this, but as of now I can't really use them since this account doesn't really have access to the drone parts or the item that you use drone parts on. But anyways, upgrading the drone regularly is pretty important since simple buff, but it is very useful still. The higher the drone levels provide stronger combat bonuses and will give you the advantage in both PvE and PvP battles. So again, to use this, you can just use it to level up your tactical drone. It's a simple upgrade material and it's usually found in every level part of the tactical drone. So hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.